All right, today we're gonna work on a
2010 Toyota Camry.
We're gonna be installing some seat covers on the rear seat only. This is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is remove the bottom. And see, that's pretty easy, just pop out. And a lot of people are worried about the bottom, but you see it's very simple. All right, what I like to do is give it a nice steam, but also you can set these out in the sun before you install them, or you can just go ahead and install them. I like to get the wrinkles out, make sure they're perfect before I install them. Because you see they come in a nice box, so they have a little wrinkles in there, but that'll come out. So yeah, you definitely don't need a steamer. You can put some water on here and use a blow dryer. So what I do is try to lock in the middles first. Check everything. So far, so good. Now we do the edges. Of course, you want to pull these real tight. Check it one more time. So far, so good. You see where we want these middle straps to go. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and just tie them here. Okay, so you could tie this in a knot, use a zip tie, or however you want to do it. I'm just gonna use a hard green to make it simple. Check it again. Still looking good. Looking great, actually. So we're gonna find out where we want these. Hook these together. Check it one last time. Looks awesome. Go ahead and tie these in a knot. That way it never slides. Okay, so the first step we're going to do, want to do a quick commercial break to let you know we do have these seat covers for sale. If you would like to order, all you have to do is click the link in the description. These are custom fit seat covers, not universal, but we have them available for almost every year, make, and model. All you have to do is go to our website, choose your year, make, and model, pick your color, pick your design, place your order, and you'll receive in about 2 weeks. We gotta remove this piece right here. So if y'all guys want to check it out, it's 2 bolts right here. So what size are these right here?
12.
12. Okay, so these are two 12 millimeters. So you just get you a socket set and just take them out. I already loosened them up, but see, it's just 2 bolts. And this, well, first you're gonna go to the trunk. You pull the lever back there, and this will come down. And you should be able to just lift this up. It's airbags here. We could take this out the car, but I'll just leave it in and do it in the car. Cause you start messing with the airbag stuff, you're gonna have to unplug the negative terminal on the cable, which is not hard, but we just go around it for now. All right, so now we're gonna install this lean back cover. Unzip it to make things easier. Make sure you leave these on until it's done, because if you leave them on, it's going to keep getting caught right here. So as you can see, these are custom made. Oh, okay. I was getting caught on the seatbelt latch. Well, not the seatbelt, the child safety latch I was getting caught on. So this right here was what I was getting caught on. This is the child safety latch. You got to go above that. Next thing, we want to zip it up. Okay. Keep pulling it tight. So far, so good. Okay, you probably want to get another angle, try to come like you. Okay, so we got these Velcro. Look like that's gonna just go to the original seat. But of course, we're gonna pull it tight first. good. All right, that's good. So this is simple enough. Just goes over. Now that we got it how we like it, I'm gonna start tying it together. Now you got all these tightened up. We're gonna pull this real tight around. Seatbelt out the way. See this part right here, got to hook right back in there. There we go. That's simple enough. Now our bolt holes line up. You get your ratchet, just tighten those up, and you're all good. You can't just put it in, you gotta get the seat belts positioned right. Good. Just get it locked into place. Boom, got that. Okay, if you want to see the full walk around video and go over all the specs, it'll be a link somewhere on the screen. Thanks for tuning in.